Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a cake in a cup in a microwave that takes a minute to a minute and a half to cook. Super easy, super tasty. I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate one. So first of all, I need a tablespoon of flour and I need a tablespoon of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You could use normal sugar if you wanted to. 2.5 tablespoons of milk, a little bit of vanilla, and I'm going to crack an egg in. Then I'm going to mix all that together just with a fork, and then I'm going to put in 2.5 tablespoons of frozen berries. But if you've got someone that doesn't like berries, you could just leave that out. It's quite runny. I've got raspberries here. Mix all that in. And then I have just got a normal size cup. You could use a teacup, but it's just easier that. And then if you wanted to put a little blob of ice cream on top, you could. Just going to put all of that into that cup. And we're going to put that in the microwave for 60 seconds to start with on high and just see what it's looking like. So that's been in for 1 minute and I think that is perfect. It's bouncy when you push it. Rises up nice. We'll just pop a little bit of icing sugar on top and a little blob of ice cream and dessert in a cup. That's our dessert there. Very tasty. Hope you enjoy making them.